guys haven't been in this car with my kayak on the roof, I had my Toyota Corolla. No more. So now I'm using my other car. You haven't seen it, but I have a Nissan Leaf, 2019 Nissan Leaf, and I love it. So now I have the rack and my kayak on top of it. Hey, Ook, Ook. See that little ship? Zoom out. Yeah, there's a bunch of them. Those are all artificial
Hi,
reef.
baby. Out on
That's
the
where
reef.
we're heading.
Haven't caught anything yet, but I'm trolling. And at the artificial reef, all these little square dots.
There's fish down there.
So I'm out
I
there.
got my sabiki. I'm hoping to get some bait. I might as well throw that one too while I'm trolling. I don't see that bait ball anymore. Yeah, there is a little bit. Oh, it's picking up. Oh, stop. Try again. Oh, there's a lot of birds out there. You can't see it on the GoPro. Oh yeah, so by the way, I told you I sold my car, my kayak car, the Toyota Corolla. So now I have my kayak on my Nissan Leaf. The good thing is I'm buying a new camera. So you're looking right now out of a Hero 3. I've had this thing since I used to use it for drone flying. I have another channel for that. And anyway, so I bought me another drone, bought a mini DJI 3 Pro, and I bought a GoPro 11 Black. So I'm just waiting for them, and you guys are going to get a much better presentation. Of course, it's always better if I could catch some fish. Got a bait ball. Come on. Oh, there we go. Okay, got some bait, live bait, and I'm ready for it. Oh, nice mac. Oh, get in there. Oh no. How did I get this all in there? Transducer went off. Got one in my socks. There we go. And it's off. Get back down there anymore? Okay. Back on. I don't see any more, but I got good bait. Yeah, I was just about ready to put dead frozen bait, and I got me a live one. So I'm going to put this over here. And this one over here. Take this off. I'm ready to go, wherever that is. Come here, buddy. You are my big fish. Maybe a bonita, big old sea bass. Okay, go down there. Ow! Oh wait. I almost forgot. You swimming good? Oh yes you are. Go down there. lunchtime. Peanut butter, honey, toast. And soda. Live mackerel. Bait. Not yet. Big key. Oh, there's something drifting out over the artificial reef. It's gone already. Almost 11:30.
Back in the harbor. Got too choppy out there, baby. I didn't catch anything but that one mackerel. So I'm still trolling that mackerel. He's very much alive, but I'm inside the harbor, hoping I catch a halibut. But I'm not going back out there. Probably be done soon, unless I catch a big halibut. Love you, bye.
He looks nervous. Maybe something's gonna eat him. I'm hoping for a big halibut. That's a big mackerel, very live. Hoping for a big halibut. Last chance. I've had it with too choppy out there. I went all the way to the reef. Caught one mackerel. Got windy, pretty choppy. Playing with tanks, but I had a good day. Over on Camp Pendleton side of the harbor. Some sort of Bradley vehicle, I guess. Kicking up a lot of dust a while ago. Oh, there's another one. Amphibious. Those are amphibious. Still waiting for a bite. Still waiting for my big halibut. Okay, well, I'm about to call it quits. Park this thing, load it up, and go home. I'm still on it. There we go. Last chance. I think I got some seaweed. Seaweed probably. Oh yeah. You're very much alive. You're going home for supper. my reef.
Okay, well that's it. I'm
Guess
calling
I
it
got
a
pretty
day.
Good setup. Not too hard to load and unload.
I did not show you because I'm not quite nailed in on it yet. But there it is. Time to go home. I caught one mackerel for bait. That's it. But I did everything right. Had a good day. Okay, all loaded up. That's it. I'm finished. Going home. Love you. Bye.